video, I'm showing you all 5 different breakfast ideas for school. All these recipes are not only relatively healthy, but also super yummy and easy to make. School mornings can be pretty stressful. However, all these recipes can be made super quickly or even the night before. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're making is this super simple blueberry muffin in a mug. So start off by combining a 1/4 cup of flour into the mug of your choice, then add a tablespoon of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder just to make sure it rises, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and also 3 tablespoons of milk. And then just go ahead and mix all that together until it's just one even consistency. After that, you can go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of blueberries and just mix those in until they're all distributed evenly throughout the whole batter. Then in a separate cup, combine 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar in the raw, 1 tablespoon of flour, and then just mix all that together until it's kind of like a thick, crumbly consistency. You can then just add that on top of your blueberry muffin mix and then place it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And once that's done, you can add some more blueberries on top, and that is it. This is a super filling breakfast and will definitely keep you held over until lunch, and although it isn't super healthy, it's super yummy. Also, the good thing about this is that it doesn't take that long to cook. So if you want, you can make the batter the night before and keep it in the refrigerator, and then in the morning, just pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds, and that's it. Next up, we have some classic avocado toast with eggs. So to make this, start off by toasting 2 slices of whole grain bread in the toaster. Then cut 1 ripe avocado in half, scoop out the middle, and just spread 1/2 onto each slice of toast. If it's ripe enough, you shouldn't really need to cut it, you can just use your spoon, but if it's not quite there, you can always help it along by cutting it into dices first and then spreading it. Once you've done that, just take 2 eggs and fry them on a stovetop like this. You can either do sunny side up or over easy. I think those are the best ways to eat it on avocado toast. Then you can just put 1 egg on top of each slice and put some salt and pepper on top and whatever other seasoning you want. Red pepper flakes are also really good if you like something a little bit more spicy. And that is it. I know avocado toast is like super basic and you guys probably all know how to make it, but I always forget that this is like an option I can actually make on a school morning. I always save it for the weekends, but honestly, why not make it for a school breakfast? It's super filling, has lots of good protein and fats, and it really doesn't take that long to make. Next up, we got this breakfast cereal parfait. So to make this, all you need to do is take like a mason jar or a cup or something and layer some vanilla yogurt, some Honey Nut Cheerios cereal, or honestly whatever kind of cereal you want. Then just add some blueberries and some bananas and just continue layering everything until your jar is full and you have a super yummy and nutritious breakfast parfait. This is perfect if you have kind of a sweet tooth in the morning, but you still want to stay kind of healthy. And similar to the muffin, it can also be made the night before. Next up, we have this super easy to make peanut butter and banana roll up. So essentially, all you need to do is get a tortilla and spread some peanut butter on top. I'm actually using this kind of low-fat, all-natural peanut butter, so it's a little bit healthier. Once you're done that, you can then just take some honey and drizzle it around on top. And last but not least, just peel a banana and place it at the end of the tortilla like this. Fold the edges in kind of like you would a burrito and then just roll it up. And this is what it looks like when it's done. This breakfast is especially great if you're eating on the go or you want to pack your breakfast to eat a little bit later. It stays really well and it's super easy to eat when you're in a rush. And last but not least, we're going to be making this pineapple coconut smoothie. So in a blender, just combine 1 cup of frozen or fresh pineapple, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for some sweetness, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then just blend it all up until it's the consistency you want, and that's it. This smoothie is seriously so good. The pineapple and the coconut together taste amazing, kind of like a pina colada, and also the chia seeds in it add some extra protein and nutritional value, making it a really great breakfast drink. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you were not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!